The rainforest. This is the planet's lung, a kingdom hidden in mystery yet bursting with life. Deep in the heart of Sri Lanka, nestled within the Sabaragamuwa province, bordering Pathakada near Pelmadulla, stands the Kiribadgala Mountain Range. This is the sheer majesty of a tropical rainforest. Here, even the sun's light struggles to reach the forest floor. Sustained by high annual rainfall and stable temperatures, this has become one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Excited, every inch here is a fight for life. The canopy layer absorbs the nourishment, forcing the lower layers to survive on scarcity. This is a habitat built in multiple layers, home to millions of organisms. In this forest, plant life is not just about trees. It is a complex web critical to the entire environment. Giant tree roots anchor themselves deep into the earth. And living right upon these tree trunks, sustained only by mist and moisture, are the epiphytes, orchids, ferns. They are nature's stunning architecture. They exist by feeding on the humidity and fog. But the true life lies in the movement. Solo or in flocks, they are hidden within this paradise. Endemic species unique to Sri Lanka. Amphibians specialized for the wet zone. Snake varieties, Kiribadgala is their final fortress. This rainforest, it is not just flora and fauna, it is a time capsule of life. To protect it is the duty of us all. Join us as we continue to explore this vital ecosystem. Our upcoming episodes will delve deeper into the local flora and fauna, investigate its unique ecological conditions, and reveal more hidden locations within this amazing landscape. Don't miss the next chapter of this incredible journey. Be sure to subscribe now and turn on notifications before our next episode is released. Thank you for watching The Nature Life of Sri Lanka.